Let's use a Twinkle Twinkle earphone case and a plush charm to make a super cute vinyl style plushie. It's incredibly simple and perfect for beginners. First, grab a Twinkle Twinkle plush charm. You can use any other version of the body that you like. Find the stitching where the head meets the body and open it up with a seam ripper. Take some stuffing from the head and put it into the body to make it look plumper. I removed the lining of the earphone case, but I realized later that you can actually leave it in. Let's line everything up and get our needle and thread ready to sew. Start sewing from the center front and align it with the middle of the head. I'm using a ladder stitch here, so the seams will be completely invisible. Be careful and keep checking the alignment to make sure the head and body stay centered. If it ends up a bit crooked, you can always restart since there's not much to sew. Tie off the knot and our custom Twinkle Twinkle is finished. Add a clip and look how adorable this doll is. Next, let's give this Twinkle Twinkle chef a brand new look. You'll need some pipe cleaners and a few mini decorative clips. Bend a small hook at the end and hold it against the left side of the face. Wrap it around the face to frame it, like this. Do the same for the back and slowly shape it to fit the back of the head. You don't have to be perfect. A messy look actually adds a nice touch. Leave a small tail at the end, tuck it into the gap and pinch it to secure. Now let's fluff it out to give the doll a rounded afro look. Make some final adjustments so it fits the face perfectly. And just like that, our Twinkle Twinkle has a custom Afro wig. Add some colorful mini clips and style it however you like. You can also add tiny glasses and secure them with a clear elastic band. Look, our Afro-style Twinkle Twinkle is ready to go. You can use this same method to customize other series as well. Finally, let's do a color makeover. First, mask off the face with tape to keep it clean. Just wrap it up like this. Use a cotton swab to apply the pigment. I'm using a colorful eyeshadow palette for this. Remember to apply it in thin layers so you can control the color depth. Apply the base color first and leave space for the other shades. Use cotton swabs for the details and a makeup sponge for larger areas. Once the front is done, switch to your next favorite color and keep going. If you want the colors to be more vibrant, just add a few more layers. Don't forget to color the back as well. Peel off the tape and fill in the details along the hairline. Make sure to paint detailed areas like the neck. Be patient as the whole thing needs about 3 to 4 coats. And there we go! A brand new Twinkle Twinkle is born.